Welcome back. We're crafting in the kitchen with Grandma Betty from Kearney Walmart. A very fall craft.
Fast and easy.
Yep.
That's us, you know.
What are we doing?
Well, these are little plank pieces that we have, and they have a rope, if I can show them.
Oh, yes.
A rope on the back, so it's meant to be used this way. However, we're using it a different way. I'd put the rope down first.
Okay. So we're
Sara.
gluing the rope back.
And I just took the Scotch tape.
Oh,
Did
and
you
tape
remember
it.
seeing me stick that
I
over there
did.
in a couple of places to hold the rope out of the way for now? Then it's got a little clear plastic piece up above that if you want to hang it on the wall or even as a door hanging or something, you can right now. And then later change it to something. Now put a great big pile of glue on the bottom. Yeah, and kind of measure. Look at your top. Now see, I stuck my stem down below, and that way I've got leverage when I want to take it off to take it out of the glue mound. And
Yeah,
then,
you said there's a reason we're using the low heat glue
yes,
guns.
the low temp, because that's good. Low temp because I think probably it'll come loose easier out of that and won't, you know. But it's that way it's removable. You can change seasons with it. Kind of.
Do we glue some over here?
Yeah, just a little bit under there. Get it down a little further, honey. Well, that's all right. That'll work. And then it just holds it in place. And if we want to change seasons with it or change something, then we can. But I was thinking a lot about these people that live like in assisted living and have a private room, but yet, you know, they can't use big things. Then the little flower I gave you for the end, you can kind of just stick it into the stems of the flower and it'll hold there, and it kind of finishes it off, I thought, and made it look a little, oh, looky there, already.
We
all
did it.
done. Sure did.
Marie's crafting skills well above Tim's already.
Well, we won't say that to
won't
Tim,
tell
though,
him, no. All
because that could lead to trouble.
I know. Make him feel
I was
We
very
do have to put
concentrated
up
though.
yes, you were. Well, thanks so much, Grandma Betty. We'll be right back.